This video will help you organize your team task with Wrike. In order to organize team task with the Wrike, you should need to sign in to your Wrike account and create a workspace for your team. Set up folders or projects to group related tasks, just like marketing campaign or development sprint. Then add team members. Go to the Users and Groups section and invite teammates via email. You can see it right here, where you can share it with other people that are connected to this project. Press Create and assign task. Click plus New Task to add task under project. Add descriptions, deadlines, tags, and attach relevant files to it. And use dashboards and calendars to create for each team member or department to track priorities. And lastly, you will monitor progress and collaborate. You can actually comment directly on tasks to discuss updates and use the activity stream or reports to track overall team progress. And that is all on how to organize your team task with Wrike.